Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how you can apply transitions to your presentations on Google Slides. For example, smooth transitions between two or more of your presentation's slides. So let's get started. So what you want to do, guys, is select the slide here from your presentation on the left-hand side. And now let's say I would like to apply a transition from page or slide 3 to slide number 4. So what you want to do is click on slide here at the top menu and select transition from that drop down menu. Now that is going to open up that menu here to the right, slide transition. So to apply a transition, simply click on that arrow down icon here where it says none, because on default there won't be any transitions applied. So click on none and simply select the type or style of a transition from the drop down menu. Like for instance, a slide transition from the right. You can also adjust the transitions length here. So let me go with a pretty fast transition like that. And you can also apply the given transition to all slides of your presentation by clicking on that button here. And after that, click on play here at the bottom to watch your transition in the preview mode. And there you go. As you can see, the transition has been applied. Now, let me go with another transition type, like for instance, a flip transition. So select it from the drop down menu, click on play here again. And there you go. It has successfully been applied. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.